Virgo, get ready for a life-changing 2025. If you've been waiting for that one lucky break, this year might just be your moment to shine. The universe has aligned specific numbers that hold incredible energy for you. Whether it's in business, career, investments, or unexpected wealth, these 5 lucky numbers could be the key to unlocking massive success. So, let's dive into the 5 powerful numbers that could transform Virgo from 0 to billionaire status. Lucky number 5, the game changer for Virgo in 2025. Virgo, get ready for a financial breakthrough. The number 5 is your ultimate game changer in 2025. This powerful number symbolizes movement, change, and unexpected opportunities, making it the perfect force to shake up your financial destiny. If you've been stuck in a repetitive cycle, this is the number that will unlock new avenues of success. Why is 5 so lucky for Virgo? The number 5 carries the energy of expansion, adaptability, and adventure. It pushes you to break free from limitations and take bold steps toward financial growth. In 2025, the universe is encouraging you to embrace risks, seek new opportunities, and step outside your comfort zone, all under the influence of this lucky number. How to use lucky number 5 for financial success. 1. Investments and business ventures. Looking to grow your wealth? Pay attention to businesses or stock options that have the number 5 in their name, ticker symbol, or registration number. Companies with a strong 5 connection could bring unexpected financial rewards. 2. Lottery and games of chance. Feeling lucky? Incorporate the number 5 in your lottery picks. Whether it's 5, 15, or 25, these numbers could carry the financial blessing you've been waiting for. Even when choosing random numbers, try adding 5 into the mix. 3. Perfect timing for new projects. Thinking of launching a business, side hustle, or major investment? Plan it on the 5th, 15th, or 25th of the month. These dates hold powerful energy for success and will set your plans in motion. 4. Make bold financial moves. 2025 is not the year to play small, Virgo. The number 5 encourages you to take calculated risks, whether that means switching careers, investing in something new, or expanding your income sources. Trust that fortune favors the bold this year. Virgo, the universe is nudging you toward financial transformation, and lucky number 5 is leading the way. Pay attention to where this number appears in your life. It could be the sign you've been waiting for. Stay open, take action, and watch as new doors to wealth open in 2025. Lucky number 8, the billionaire's secret for Virgo in 2025. Virgo, if you're ready to attract massive wealth in 2025, the number 8 is your ultimate key to success. Known as the money magnet, this number holds the vibration of financial abundance, prosperity, and unlimited potential. Many millionaires and billionaires have strong connections to the number 8, and now it's your turn to tap into its power. Why is 8 so lucky for Virgo? In numerology, 8 represents infinite success. Think of its shape, resembling the infinity symbol infinity. It's a number of hard work paying off, smart investments multiplying, and financial stability growing stronger. This means that 2025 is not just about short-term gains for Virgo. It's about building lasting wealth that can support you for years to come. How to use lucky number 8 for financial success. 1. Invest in properties with the number 8. If you're looking to buy a home, invest in real estate, or open a new business location, choose addresses with the number 8 in them. Properties with 8 in their number have been linked to long-term financial success. Even office numbers or apartment numbers with an 8 can enhance your prosperity. 2. Set prices with 8 for maximum profit. Whether you're selling a product, launching a business, or negotiating a deal, include the number 8 in your pricing. There's a reason businesses set prices like $88, $888, or $8,888, because 8 attracts money effortlessly. If you run a business, test adding 8 to your pricing strategy and see the difference. 3. Strengthen your financial energy with 8 in daily life. You can invite financial abundance into your everyday life by using 8 strategically. Checkmark phone numbers. If possible, choose a phone number with 8 in it for good fortune. License plates. Many wealthy individuals prefer cars with an 8 in the plate number for added luck. Email addresses. If you're starting a business or personal brand, try including an 8 in your email. 4. Think long-term and make bold financial moves. Virgo, 2025 is not the year to think small. The energy of 8 pushes you to make big financial decisions with confidence. Whether it's launching a company, investing in stocks, or expanding your career, 8 ensures your efforts will multiply. Bonus tip: if you see the number 888 repeatedly, take it as a powerful sign from the universe that financial abundance is on its way. Virgo, the number 8 holds the key to your biggest financial breakthroughs in 2025. This is your time to build lasting wealth, attract prosperity, and take your financial future into your own hands. Use 8 wisely, think big, and watch your fortune grow. Lucky number 9, the completion and success number for Virgo in 2025. Virgo, 2025 is your year to complete what you started and step into financial success. The number 9 is a powerful force of fulfillment, achievement, and ultimate rewards. It signals the end of financial struggles and the beginning of major wealth accumulation. If you've been working hard, this is the year when your efforts finally pay off. Why is 9 so lucky for Virgo? In numerology, 9 is the number of completion. It represents the final step before a major transformation. This means that in 2025, Virgo will finish an important chapter in their financial journey and move into a higher level of success. Whether it's closing a deal, launching a business, or making an important investment, the number 9 ensures that your financial dreams become reality. How to use lucky number 9 for financial success. 1. Launch your business on a date with the number 9. If you've been waiting for the right moment to start a business, choose a launch date that includes 9, such as the 9th, 19th, or 29th of the month. These dates carry the energy of completion, ensuring that your business starts strong and grows successfully. 2. Invest in companies with the number 9. Thinking about investments in 2025? Look for companies with 9 in their stock symbols, business names, or registration numbers. The number 9 attracts stability and long-term success, making these investments highly promising for Virgo. 3. Use 9 when negotiating deals. Virgo, if you're closing a business deal, discussing salary, or setting financial goals, incorporate the number 9 into the figures. If you're negotiating a contract, consider numbers like $9,900 or $90,000 for better luck. If you're pricing a service or product, use numbers like $99, $999, or $9,999. Brands do this for a reason. 4. Clear debts and financial burdens. Since 9 is a number of completion, 2025 is the perfect year for Virgo to clear old debts. Doing so will open the door for new financial blessings to come your way. If you've been carrying financial burdens, focus on closing them out this year so you can start fresh and attract more wealth. Bonus tip. If you keep seeing 999, it's a sign that financial abundance is near. The universe is telling you that an old cycle is ending and a new era of prosperity is beginning, Virgo. The number 9 is your golden ticket to financial success in 2025. This is the year when your past efforts bring major rewards and your dreams finally take shape. Use 9 in your business, investments, and financial decisions to unlock prosperity and abundance. Lucky number 3, the creative wealth booster for Virgo in 2025. Virgo, 2025 is your year to tap into creative wealth. The number 3 is your ultimate power number for financial expansion, innovation, and breakthrough opportunities. If you've been thinking about starting a new business, making bold investments, or exploring new income streams, this number will be your guide to success. Why is 3 so lucky for Virgo? In numerology, 3 represents creativity, communication, and rapid growth. It brings new ideas, unexpected financial opportunities, and lucky collaborations. This means 2025 is not the year to play it safe. It's the time to take smart risks, embrace new ventures, and think outside the box. How to use lucky number 3 for financial success. 1. Use 3 in your business and marketing strategy. If you're in business or launching a project, structure your offers and marketing around the number 3 to attract more success. Offer 3 pricing tiers: basic, premium, VIP, for maximum sales. Create 3 key products or services that appeal to different audiences. Use the rule of 3 in advertising: 3 main benefits, 3 selling points, or 3-step solutions. Brands that use 3 in their pricing and strategies tend to attract more customers. It's a proven psychological trick. 2. Play the lottery or make financial decisions with 3. If you enjoy trying your luck, include the number 3 in your lottery picks. Combinations like 3, 13, 33, or 39 could bring surprising results. Even when making investment decisions, look for companies or stocks linked to the number 3 for added luck. 3. Partner up for maximum growth. The number 3 is deeply connected to teamwork and collaboration. If you're thinking of starting a business, consider doing it with 2 other partners, a team of 3. This balance can bring incredible success. If you already have a business, look for joint ventures or partnerships that involve 3 people or 3 companies to maximize profits. If you're networking, aim to make at least 3 powerful new connections in 2025 that can lead to financial growth. 4. Explore new income streams, Virgo. If you've been relying on just one source of income, 2025 is the year to expand. The number 3 encourages multiple income sources, so think about adding side businesses, passive income, or creative ventures to your financial strategy. This could mean starting an online store, investing in real estate, or even launching a YouTube channel. Bonus tip. Seeing 333 repeatedly. That's a clear sign from the universe that financial success is on the way. So take action and embrace new opportunities. Virgo, the number 3 is your wealth multiplier in 2025. Use it in business, investments, partnerships, and creative ventures to unlock massive financial success. Think big, act smart, and watch as new opportunities flow into your life. Lucky number 1, the power of new beginnings for Virgo in 2025. Virgo, 2025 is your year to step into leadership, financial independence, and fresh opportunities. The number 1 is your ultimate power number, representing new beginnings, ambition, and personal success. If you've been feeling stuck or dependent on others for financial growth, this is the year to take control of your own destiny. Why is 1 so lucky for Virgo? In numerology, 1 is the number of creation, self-motivation, and individuality. It encourages Virgos to become leaders rather than followers, take bold steps, and embrace new ventures with confidence. If you've been hesitating to start something new, make a career change, or build your own wealth, this is the perfect time to take action. How to use lucky number 1 for financial success. 1. Launch your business or side hustle, Virgo. If you've been dreaming of starting your own business, 2025 is the year to do it. Choose a launch date with the number 1, such as the 1st, 10th, or 11th of the month. If naming a company, consider names that include 1 or the number 1 to align with success. Start fresh. If a job or business isn't serving you, 2025 is the year to move on and build something better. 2. Pay attention to signs from the universe. If you've been seeing 111 or 1111 on the clock, this is no coincidence. It's a sign from the universe that you're meant to step into a new phase of financial independence. Take this as a nudge to make bold financial moves, invest in yourself, and take charge of your destiny. 3. Make independent financial decisions. This year is all about taking charge of your money. If you've been relying on others for financial guidance, 2025 is the time to trust your own instincts. If you've been working under someone else, consider stepping into a leadership role or starting something of your own. Make investments where you are in control, rather than depending on others to make decisions for you. 4. Set financial goals and take action. The number 1 is all about taking the first step toward your dreams. Write down clear financial goals for 2025 and take daily actions to achieve them. Whether it's starting an online business, investing in stocks or real estate, saving aggressively for a dream goal, developing a skill that increases your earning potential. Bonus tip. If you keep seeing 111 or 1111, it means the universe is giving you the green light to start fresh and create a new path to wealth. Virgo, the number 1 is your power number in 2025. This is the year to step up, lead, and take control of your financial future. No more waiting. It's time to take action, create new opportunities, and claim your success. Virgo, 2025 is your year of massive financial transformation. Your lucky numbers, 5, 8, 9, 3, and 1, hold the key to unlocking success, wealth, and unexpected opportunities. But remember, luck favors those who take action. Which of these numbers speaks to you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know how you plan to use them. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful insights on luck, wealth, and transformation. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to unlock your destiny. Your future is in your hands. Embrace your lucky numbers and step into abundance. Money and stars.